a resistor R, an inductor L and capacitor C. They are connected in series to an oscillator of frequency. What is the frequency of oscillator? L. And if the resonance frequency is NR, if resonant frequency is NR, then current lags behind the voltage. Current I lags behind the voltage. What is the condition required for current I to lags behind the voltage? Current I lags behind the voltage. We want to find out condition for this I lags behind the voltage. We know that at resonance or the reactance of circuit X is equal to XL minus of XC. And what happens at resonance? At resonance, XL must be equal to XC. At resonance, XL is equal to XC. At resonance, XL is equal to XC. Means when N is equal to NR, XL is equal to XC. When the frequency N is equal to resonant frequency NR, then we have condition XL is equal to XC. But if the resonance frequency is if the applied frequency is greater than resonance frequency, if we are having condition N greater than NR, N frequency of this alternating source is greater than the resonance frequency of series LCR circuit, then we know that XL must be greater than XC. Means that circuit is purely inductive. Circuit is what? Purely inductive in nature. As XL is greater than XC, it means XL minus XC is greater than 0 and circuit is purely inductive in nature. Circuit is purely inductive in nature, and whenever circuit is inductive in nature, we know that if we look at the phase diagram, then the EMF across inductor EL, EMF across capacitor EC and EMF across resistor ER. In case of an inductor, EMF leads the current. EMF leads the current or current lags behind the voltage. Here the current I flowing through the circuit, and when N is greater than N0, circuit is purely inductive. It means here the resultant is EL minus of EC. Circuit is purely inductive in nature, and whenever circuit is purely inductive in nature, it means that current I, it lags behind. Current I, it lags behind the voltage. Current I lags behind the voltage. So remember one thing, that whenever frequency of applied EMF is greater than the resonance frequency of series LCR circuit, then inductive reactance is greater than capacitive reactance. Why inductive reactance is greater than capacitive reactance? Because XL equal to omega L and XC equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC. So when N is greater than NR, then XL is greater than XC. Circuit is purely inductive, and when circuit is purely inductive, then we know that current I lags behind the voltage V. Current I lags behind the voltage V. So what is the condition for current I lags behind the voltage in series LCR circuit? That circuit must be purely inductive, and circuit is inductive only when XL is greater than XC or the frequency of applied voltage is greater than the resonance frequency of the circuit. So the condition required is N greater than N0. So out of 4 options, which option is correct? N greater than N0, option D is the correct option for this question.